Today we are talking all about masculine energy in women, okay? Some of us have very high masculine energy without even being aware of it. I was one of those, and as we go down the list, I will be sharing with you 5 things that you are doing that is keeping you in your masculine energy. And of course, if you're not looking for a high value man, you're not even looking for a relationship, then of course this video is not for you. However, if you are looking for a relationship, then of course keep on watching, because these tips will really help you. Masculine women push away masculine men, and you end up attracting undesirable low value men or people who will use and abuse you if you don't keep your eyes open to these things. I mean, that's why my channel's here. I'm just making you aware of the things that you're doing that could be pushing people away. Number 5, cursing or cussing and very bad attitude. Ladies, we really need to check our vocabulary, okay? Especially now that we're on this feminine journey. Of course, if you haven't joined us on this journey, please come and join us by clicking that subscribe button, okay? Let's do this together. The more, the merrier. Right. When we don't check our vocabulary and we just throw words just like that, that's when we're operating in our masculine energy, like we're talking like the boys, and then all of a sudden high value men are seeing you as one of the boys, and that isn't what you want. You want him to see you as a woman, a lady, someone who is desirable, someone that he wants to be around, okay? So if you've got this nasty attitude, you're not fixing your face, your body language is all off. What is that? Is that a stray hair? Sorry. If you're not checking this masculine energy that's taking form in your vocabulary, they will feel very embarrassed to take you anywhere in public, okay? So if you're wondering why your crush, or actually not even your crush, your boyfriend or your partner is struggling to take you in public, maybe it's because of your vocabulary and your nasty attitude, okay? Trying to talk like men, trying to be one of the boys, it's what's keeping you out of your femininity. Let's stop that today, okay? Let's stop that today. Number 4, a woman who struggles to ask for help, okay? I know, Miss Independent, we've all been there. But actually, this is pushing high value men away. And I hear you saying, but I can do it all by myself. I know you can, and that's fine. However, wouldn't it be nice if someone else did it for you? Okay, don't get me wrong. Being feminine doesn't mean weak and soft, okay? If you're overly self-reliant and Miss Independent, that can come across quite masculine. Men are at their best when they feel needed, when they feel wanted, and when they're able to provide and protect. So if you're a woman who does it all, then they will feel like you don't even have any use of them, or you don't even need them in their lives. And I agree. If you're doing it all by yourself, what do you need a man for? But then again, you probably don't know you're doing this. I know sometimes women, we feel as though if we're being feminine, that means we have to be weak, or it means we have to let go of ourselves. But that isn't what femininity is all about. Actually, it's all about balance. It's about knowing when to tap into your femininity and knowing when to tap into your masculinity, okay? We are strong women, okay? We are strong. We give birth. You need a whole load of strength to be doing that, okay? That's just one thing that describes our strength. There is nothing wrong in being strong. Oh, I love that. It rhymes. There's nothing wrong with it. However, it's about finding that balance where you are able to ask for help, okay? Just being soft and being dainty, okay? As you join me on this journey, as we're doing this together, you will learn that there's actually different levels to this femininity. There's different layers, and we can all be feminine in our own different ways. It's just about knowing the balance, and we're going to learn all of that on this channel. Sometimes we feel like if we delegate or if we ask for help, that shows a sign of weakness, but actually it doesn't always do that, okay? Femininity isn't about being helpless, okay? Like, help me. That isn't what it's about. However, again, we come to the same word. It's all about finding the balance. So if you struggle to be interdependent in your relationships and you are Missy do it all, then that's one thing that's really, really pushing a high value man away, even though you're in that relationship. It can leave a sour taste in their mouth. So, you know, check yourself. Number 3, paying a man's bill or paying your way into a man's heart. Oh, and just buying stuff for them and just giving them money here and there. That is so masculine. I've been there before. Not that I was trying to buy their love, but I just thought it was the nice thing to do. However, there's a really thin line between you being their girlfriend, their partner, and then you becoming their mother. You want an independent and high value man to respect you as feminine. He wants to protect you. He wants to provide for you. So what you need to do is take that cap off, okay? Stop paying his bills. Stop trying to buy his love with your money and your accomplishments. That is a masculine turn-off, okay? As feminine women, we need to understand that masculine men, high value men, they relish in the opportunity of being providers and protectors. This is something I really needed to get into my head. I thought they needed help being providers and protectors, but no, they don't. They don't. That isn't your job. And when you take on that role, you are back leading, and there is nothing feminine about that, okay? Number 2, women who neglect or pay little to no attention to their looks. I know. We are not talking about being overly materialistic and thinking solely about our exterior. No. That's not what I'm saying, okay? However, if you look like what you're going through, or if you look like you're low maintenance, then no one's going to want to step up to the plate to invest in you. And men want to invest. So give them something to invest in, okay? So start by investing in yourself. Invest in your looks. And that doesn't mean going on a shopping spree to buy everything under the sun. No, it's about finding your personal sense of style and just, you know, walking in that confidence, okay? Fixing your hair. I tried with this one, okay? I love short hair, okay? I really, really love the low maintenance that comes with short hair. So fix your hair, change your hair up, put a bit of makeup on, okay? Do your nails, do your toenails, okay? I don't really wear fake nails, nothing wrong with it. I really do like it when people wear it, but for me, I just personally haven't really gotten into it. But I do try to keep my nails nice and clean and nice and short so that, you know, it's just clean. So it's just about taking care of those little things that you wouldn't pay too much attention to. It's about taking the time to take care of those areas, because men, they are actually watching, okay? They are taking mental notes of these things. You probably think they don't. The way you sit. Oh, I used to sit like just slouch, like, ugh. I've got 2 brothers, so that's one of the things that has, you know, rubbed off me. I like to be comfortable, but I realized it's very manly. So I've had to learn, I've had to check myself, and those are some of the things we will be talking on this channel just how to sit, sitting etiquette, talking etiquette, eating etiquette, all of that we will talk about in body language. So if you're excited for all of that, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, because we are on this journey, okay? We are going. Come and join us. And number one, the most important one, which I hope I'm not crucified once you hear what it is, and that is a woman who struggles to submit. Ooh, dun dun dun. The word that most women dread to hear is actually very triggering for some, and I think I understand why it will be very triggering, especially if you're with a low value man. You feel like, I'm not going to submit to that. And that's perfectly fine, because the whole idea of submission, sent from above, is being able to rest confidently in your femininity whilst your high value man takes on the leadership role, okay? Men are wired for this. They are wired to lead. And if you're a woman who struggles to understand this wiring of a high value man, it will be a very big challenge, yes, because there will be this power struggle. You want to lead, or back lead, that's what it's called, and that can become quite controlling. Any woman who sees a man's leadership or their willingness to lead as a sign of oppression, dominance, dictation, all of that is a very poor idea of what submission is all about. And I know a lot of you are screaming at me saying, but it ain't worth it. That's why my channel is here, for those who aren't married to low value men, for you to learn the difference, okay? When you're able to rest in your femininity and you're with a high value man, it's very easy for you to submit to their leadership, because you know they will take ownership of that role and they relish in their responsibilities and they're very much accountable. So you can rest, and you can rest assured that they will lead accordingly, and you have that security. You don't have to keep back leading. So discernment is 100% key. I already preach this word on this channel, okay? We can do an in-depth video if you want, but discernment is so key when it comes to this. If you're able to rest in your femininity, you will not have any problem submitting to a high value partner. And if you subscribe to this channel, you will not have any trouble identifying who's a high value man, so that you don't get your neck in any trenches out there in the public. Because I've been there before. And these low value men will eat you alive because you're so masculine. So the roles will reverse. That's what I'm trying to save you from, ladies. But if you want to experience it, then be my guest. You might be broken a lot. I don't think it's worth it. So make sure you subscribe. Which one of these resonates with you? I know I can see myself in quite a lot of them. Well, my old self, because we're on a journey. And I'm so happy that, you know, you decided to click on this channel to learn about this. So let me know some of the things that you think also screams masculinity in women. Let me know down in the comment section. I would love to read it, because we're on this journey together. So until next time, take care and God bless. Bye bye.